Hello students, welcome to my channel GVS Chem. In this video, I am going to explain chemistry of carbon compounds part 2, hydrocarbons and their classification. This is a part of revision series for the board examination of students of class 10, state syllabus, CBSE and ICSE. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment my videos.
Chemistry of carbon compounds. See, previously some 250 years back, the compounds formed by carbon, they are referred as organic compounds. Organic compounds. Why they are referred as organic compounds? Because these substances they are obtained in living organisms. Living organisms like plants, animals, human beings. So, as substances obtained from living organisms, they are referred as organic compounds. And of course, the branch of chemistry, it is referred as organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Now, it was Euler, a scientist known as Euler, prepared urea. Urea is obtained. Urea is present in urea is present in urine of human beings and other animals. Urea is prepared from ammonium cyanide. Ammonium cyanide is a inorganic substance. Inorganic substance means which is prepared in the laboratory. So the formula of ammonium cyanide is NH4CnO, ammonium cyanide. Whereas urea is a organic substance, and its formula is NH2CO NH2. So NH4CnO, this is ammonium cyanide, an organic substance. If it is heated, we get urea, NH2CO NH2. So it was Euler who prepared an organic substance by using inorganic substance. So since then, many substances are prepared in the laboratory. Therefore, organic substances are also prepared in organic substances. Organic substances are prepared in laboratory. As organic substances are prepared in laboratory, the name organic substances does not suit to these substances. That's why they are referred as carbon compounds. Therefore, this branch is referred as chemistry of carbon compounds. But anyhow, the organic chemistry and organic compounds, the words are used for so long. Even now also, these words are used in place of chemistry of carbon compounds. And of course, initially, people believed that the organic compounds are prepared in living bodies because of some vital force. So, vital force is responsible for preparation of obtaining or preparation of organic substances in living organisms. Therefore, this is known as vital force theory. Once Euler prepared urea from ammonia, this vital force theory was discarded. So since then, these compounds are referred as chemistry of carbon compounds, and of course this branch is referred as chemistry of carbon compounds. Organic compounds, the main class of organic compounds are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means compounds having only carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Compounds having only carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. So these hydrocarbons are classified into two categories mainly. One is saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons means substances with all CC bonds as single bonds. All CC bonds as single bonds are called saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. Whereas, and the next one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, these compounds have one CC bond as double bond, either double bond or triple bond, either double bond or triple bond. So if the compounds have a double bond, again they are divided into two categories. Compounds with double bond. Compounds with double bond are called alkenes. 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 Compounds with triple bond. Compounds with one CC bond as triple bond. Or alkynes. So alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons, whereas saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes. Saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes. So this is the classification of hydrocarbons. Now let us learn about the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons in detail. Saturated hydrocarbons, that is alkanes. Alkanes general formula CnH2n plus 2. That means if we keep n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, we get different substances. Alkanes. Alkanes are also referred as paraffins because they are waxy like substances. So n equal to 1, this is here C1H, 2 ones 2 plus 2 4 CH. This is nothing but CH4. And this substance is methane. And then next substance is n equal to 2 C2H6. 2 2s 4 plus 2 6 C2H6. This is ethane. So for all these substances, finally ANE will come as a suffix. n equal to 3 C3H8 propane. n equal to 4 C4H10. This is butane. n equal to 5 C5H12. This is pentane. n equal to 6 C6H14. This is hexane. n equal to 7 C7H16. This is heptane. Heptane is also referred as septane, also named as a septane. n equal to 8 C8H18. This is octane. If n equal to 9, then the compound is C9H20. This is nonane. 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 If n equal to 10, this is C10H22 decane. This is decane. So 10 alkanes you learn thoroughly. If you are able to remember, write the names of these 10 alkanes. All other names you can write very easily. Alkenes and alkynes names also you can write easily, because only the difference is suffix. For alkenes, ene will come as suffix. For alkynes, yne comes as a suffix. Whereas for alkanes, ane comes as a suffix. Right. So these are the 10 alkanes. Read these 10 alkanes and remember the practice the names of these 10 alkanes. Now let us learn about methane. Methane is gas at room temperature. Gas at room temperature. It is available, methane is available under Earth's crust. It is available under Earth's crust. Earth's crust. Therefore, this as it is available naturally in Earth's crust, this methane is referred as natural gas. Natural gas. This natural gas is used as a fuel. Natural gas is used as fuel, industrial fuel. Industrial fuel. So this natural gas is also produced in coal mines. Natural gas is this methane is also produced in coal mines, and in small quantities in the small intestine of ruminating animals. Ruminating animals means cows, buffaloes, etc. They are ruminating animals because they bring out the eaten food into the mouth and of course chew properly, thoroughly. That is rumination. Therefore, they are referred as ruminating animals. And so it is present as natural gas in the Earth's crust, and of course natural gas is used as fuel. The natural gas is supplied from the place where it is explored, where it is found, to the places where industries are established through underground pipes. And it is produced in coal mines. It is also produced in the small intestines of ruminating animals. Now the next one is C4H10. Of course, fourth compound. This fourth compound, it is referred as butane. Right. This is present in domestic gas cylinder. So this butane is present as N-butane, a mixture of N-butane and isobutane. A mixture of N-butane and isobutane is present in domestic gas cylinders for the cooking purpose. So this butane is colorless, odorless gas, and of course highly inflammable. It catches fire very easily, and heavier than air. This is heavier than air. So it has characteristics: waterless gas, highly inflammable, and heavier than air. Suppose if accidentally if a domestic gas cylinder becomes a leak, since it is waterless gas, the leakage cannot be identified. And at the same time, what happens when we if the house is closed and comes after some days, etc., and if a gas cylinder leaks, and of course generally we switch on for to get the light in the closed house. So the spark is enough to catch the fire. Therefore, at once explosive burning takes place and fire accidents are caused. Therefore, to identify the leakage, a smelling agent is added. Smelling agent is added. That smelling agent is C2H5SH. This is ethyl mercaptan. And this ethyl mercaptan has a unique smell, and no other substance has this smell. That's why, because this butane and isobutane is mixed with a small quantity of ethyl mercaptan, the leakage of gas can be identified. The gas filled in domestic gas cylinders is N-butane, mixture of N-butane and isobutane, that is mainly butane. So when gas is sent inside, what happens? It becomes liquid. It becomes liquid. And of course, when this liquid, when the nozzle is opened, that is regulator, the gas comes through the regulator of the cylinder. When it comes through the regulator of the cylinder, this liquid becomes gas. That's why this gas is referred as liquefied petroleum gas. Liquefied petroleum gas, because this gas is obtained by the fractional distillation of petroleum. Therefore, it is liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. The liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, is butane, and of course, smelling agent is ethyl mercaptan. Now, let us see unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkenes and alkynes. First of all, let us see alkenes. Alkenes general formula CnH2n. They have one double bond between any two carbon atoms. So the first member has two carbons. With one carbon we cannot make a double bond. So for making double bond, minimum two carbon atoms are required. So N equal to 2, that is CnH2n. The structure is, formula is Cn, general formula CnH2n. Therefore in place of N you keep for 2. This is C2H4. The structure is C double bond C. Here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, hydrogen. So the name is ethene or ethylene. Ethene or ethylene. N equal to 3. N equal to 2. If N equal to 3, C3H6. So keep 3 carbon atoms one after the other. In between any 2 carbon atoms keep one double bond. Therefore, you have to remember that each carbon is tetravalent. That means 4 bonds. So for this carbon atom, this is one bond, second bond, and third bond, and this is fourth bond. And for this carbon atom, already 3 bonds are there. The fourth one is with hydrogen. And for this carbon atom, 2 bonds are there. This is CH. Therefore, this is a structural formula, and this can be written as in this way also. CH double bond CH2. This is referred as condensed formula. This is structural formula. This is condensed formula. If you keep N equal to 4, then C. So in between second and third carbon keep double bond. So here this is CH3, because there is only one bond remaining, 3 are hydrogens. And for this carbon atom 3 bonds are there, the fourth one is hydrogen. For this also 3 bonds are there, the fourth one is hydrogen, and this is CH3. Therefore this substance is butene. This substance is propene. So these alkanes have the suffix ene, that is alkanes, they have one double bond. Now let us say unsaturated hydrocarbons with one triple bond, that is alkynes. Alkynes of general formula CnH2n minus 2. See, previously we discussed the whole alkenes. Alkenes commonly known as olefins. Alkenes are referred as olefins. These alkynes, they are referred as acetylenes. They have one triple bond in between any 2 carbon atoms. Right. Now let us see N equal to 1. If N equal to 2, that is 2. First member must have 2 carbon. This is C2. In place of N you keep put 2 and 2 is 4 minus 2. So C2H2. This substance is acetylene. And the structure is C triple bond CH. Right. And keep one point in mind that In alkanes, all carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized. In alkenes, the carbons having double bond, they have sp2 hybridized. Whereas in alkynes, the carbons having triple bond, they are sp hybridized. They are sp hybridized. Now, n equal to 3, C3, in place of n you keep 3, C3, 2, 3, 6 minus 2, C3H4. This is C, keep 3 carbon atoms one after the other. In between you put 3 carbon atoms, this is CH3. This carbon has already 4 bonds, therefore no hydrogen atoms are there. This is CH3. This is the IUPAC name is propyne, or this is methyl acetylene. If now let us take n equal to 4. N equal to 4. Keep 4 carbon atoms one after the other. Keep 4 carbon atoms one after the other. Between any 2 carbon atoms, you put triple bond. So this carbon has only one hydrogen. The second carbon does not have any hydrogens, whereas this carbon has 2 hydrogens because already 2 bonds are there. The remaining 2 are satisfied with the hydrogen atoms. And the end carbon, it has 3 hydrogen atoms. So these are alkynes.
Now let us do some multiple choice questions. The common name of alkanes is A. olefins, B. paraffins, C. ethylenes, acetylenes, and D. none of these. So the correct answer is A. Correct answer is B. paraffins. So the option is B. The general formula of alkynes is A. CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n, CnH2n minus 2, and none of these. So the correct option is C, that is CnH2n minus 2. So this is this is for alkanes, and this is for alkenes, and of course this is alkynes. The next question is the number of bonds present in ethane molecule is. First of all, let us write the ethane molecule. This is CC. Here is 1, here is 1, and here is 1. This is 1, here is 1, and here is 1. Totally 6 hydrogen atoms. So the number of bonds are, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6, and this is 7. So the correct option here is D, that is 7. So option D. Now the next question is the hybridization of carbon atoms in acetylene is hybridization A. sp hybridization, B. sp2 hybridization, C. sp hybridization, and D. sp3 dehybridization. So the correct option is A. This hybridization is present in. Now the fifth question is number of sigma bonds and pi bonds in ethylene molecule are respectively A 4 and 1, that is sigma bonds is 4 and pi bond is 1, B option B 5 and 1, option C 1 and 5, option D 1 and 4. So first of all, let us draw the ethylene molecule. So how to write ethylene molecule? C double bond C. This is 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. So this is ethylene molecule. In between 2 carbon atoms, this is sigma bond and this is pi bond. So if more than 1 bond is in between carbon atoms, the first one is sigma bond and remaining are pi bonds. So sigma bonds are, how many are there? This is sigma bond, this is sigma bond, this is sigma, this is sigma. So 4 sigma bonds, and of course this is 1 sigma bond. Totally 5 sigma bonds, and pi bond is 1. So here order is also most important. What is asked the question is, in question the sigma bond is first and pi bond is second. So this is 5 and 1, option B. And the next question is natural gas is ethane, butane, methane, and propane. Natural gas here is methane. Methane formula CH4. Ethane C2H6, butane C4H10, and propane, this is C4H10, propane C8H, sorry, this is C3H8. So the correct option is C here, C. And of course, traces of ethane is also mixed, that is ethane is also mixed with methane in natural gas, whereas butane is LPG, LPG. And of course LPG, in LPG traces of propane is also present. So in this question the correct option is C, that is methane. Now the next question is, the smelling agent used in LPG is, this is C2H5OH ethanol and C2H5SH ethyl mercaptan, C2H6 is ethane, C4H10 is butane. So the correct option is C2H5SH. This is ethyl mercaptan. So the correct option is correct answer is B. This is ethyl mercaptan. Now the next question is, double bond is present in between carbon atoms in dash, that is A ethane, B ethylene, C acetylene. So this is ethylene is alkene. So in alkenes double bonds are present. So option is B. So apart from this multiple choice, you practice some of the questions also. That is question is, write 10 alkanes. Write 10 alkanes. Their names, formulae, structures, and condensed formula or condensed structure, you can write formula. Now I shall explain one example. C6H14, this is hexane. So molecular formula is C6H16 hexane. Now the structure is, keep 6 carbon atoms in single straight chain. So here this is CH3, this is CH2, this is CH2, and here it is CH2, this is CH2, this is CH3. So what is the substance here? This is referred as N-hexane. And of course this is a condensed formula. Detailed structure, how do you write? This is C, keep 6 carbon atoms in line. This is keep 6 carbon atoms. So for each carbon atom you put one hydrogen, and of course this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, here it is hydrogen, here one, this is one, this is one, this is one,